kid video, and I'm gonna be eating a chili. We tried this about 2 times. It just wasn't that hot in there.
Just wasn't hot enough for you, was it?
No.
But this time you're going to agree to chew all this chili,
Which I did.
for 1 minute. Yeah?
1 minute? I never agreed to that.
Yeah, you got to chew it for 1 minute.
Can we at least have a timer in case you go over it? Okay.
Are you ready?
Okay,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It wasn't as bad as the chili sauce I tried in the cottage,
Okay.
but my lips are burning.
Yeah.
I can't call this a short because it's 1 minute. No. Ooh, that was good. It did taste good though. I can't lie.
I'm surprised. God, really is on telly.
Bye guys. I'll see you in the next World Camping Kid video.
George?
I wasn't